Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of October 2023 for all the Taurus Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Sun controls your 4th house, and right now, Sun is moving in your 5th house. 5th house deals with your children, your education, early education seen from 5th house, your love relationship, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your engagements also seen from 5th house. So right now your 4th house Lord is moving in your 5th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your love relationship, regarding your education related matter and your children's related matter if you have children right now, because your house of 4th house Lord means house of emotions, house of comfort is moving in the house of love relationship, in the house of education, in the house of children. So we can expect positive result for you people in the month of October for all the Taurus Ascendant people, especially till 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your 6th house in the sign of Libra. So after 17th of October, you need to be take care of your mother's health and your home related matter, because your 4th house Lord will be moving in your 6th house. 6th house will be house of conflict, litigation, court case, argument, fight, litigation. All of these things is from 6th house. So your 4th house Lord will be moving in your 6th house. So you need to be take care of these matter after 17th of October. Also, you will have solar eclipse in your 6th house on 14th October 2023. In the month of October, you need to be take care of your properties related matter, your vehicle related matter. If you have any court case running, regarding your property related matter, so that's why we are saying you need to postpone the dates of your case if you have dates during the month of October. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus Ascendant people of October. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 2nd house and your 5th house, and right now your 5th house and 2nd house Lord Mercury is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Virgo. 5th house deal with your love relationship, your early education, your mental ability, planning ability, as we discussed previously. Right, so right now your 5th house Lord is moving in your 5th house. Means your 5th house is right now in a strong position, so we can expect positive result regarding your love relationship, regarding your ability, mental abilities, regarding your planning ability. So we can expect positive result regarding your love relationship, regarding your education related matter, regarding your mental abilities, because your 5th house Lord is also moving in your 5th house. Mercury also controls your 2nd house, and 2nd house Lord is also moving in your 5th house. So 2nd house will be your family lineage, family history is also seen from 2nd house. Your money matters, your upbringing is also seen from 2nd house. Your speech or food intake habits are also seen from 2nd house. So right now your 2nd house Lord is also moving in your 6th house, but Sun is also moving there, so you need to be take care of your food intake habits, of your health related matter and your food intake habits in the month of October, because your 2nd house Lord is in combust position in your 5th house. So you need to be take care of your food intake habits and your family related matter in the month of September. Also, we can expect you may expand a lot or unnecessary in the month of September, because your 2nd house Lord is moving. 2nd house Lord is moving in your 5th house and right now is in combust position. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Venus controls your 1st house. Means Venus is your ascendant lord and also controls your 6th house. And right now Venus is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Leo. Venus just moved from your 3rd house to your 4th house on 2nd October 2023. 1st house deal with you, your personality, your all the major aspects of life is seen from 1st house. Your health journal, health is also seen from 1st house. Your fundamental nature is also seen from 1st house. Your likes and dislikes is also seen from 1st house. 6th house, as we discussed previously, 6th house will be court case, litigation, argument, fight. Your loans related matter, your daily routine is also seen from 6th house. Your disease pattern is also seen from 6th house. So right now 6th house ascendant lord is moving in. First of all, as we discussed previously, in Sun section, you need to be take care of your mother's health, mother and your property matter. But after 17th, when Sun will move to your 6th house, then you need to be take care of your property related matter, your vehicle related matter, and your comfort related matter, as we discussed previously in Sun section. But before 17th, we can expect positive result regarding your property related matter, regarding your mother's health related matter, and your emotions related matter. Also, Venus controls your 6th house, and 6th house Lord is moving in your 4th house. That's why we were saying in Sun section, you need to be take care of your court case, litigation related matter, regarding your properties, regarding your vehicle, because your Sun will be also moving in your 6th house after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Taurus Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Moon controls your 3rd house, and right now Moon is moving in your 2nd house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of October, and on the basis of 6th October, we are predicting for whole month. Because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially problem, difficulties and issues will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 6th house in the sign of Libra. Mars just moved in your 6th house from your 5th house on 4th October 2023. 12th house deal with your isolation, your losses, your expenses, your foreign settlement, credit migration. From 4th house, your long-term investment, your donations, your spirituality, credit matter, your sleep pattern, your dreams is also seen from 12th house. 7th house deal with your marriage, your legal relationship is seen from 7th house, your legal binding, your business relationship is seen from 7th house, your how you will meet others, how others perceive you seen from 7th house, your fame along with 10th house is also seen from 7th house. So your 7th house lord and your 12th house lord is right now moving in your 6th house. First of all, we can expect this will be a positive situation for your spirituality related matter. If you are interested into spirituality related matter, if you are trying to move from your birthplace to some different country, then we can expect positive result because your 12th house lord is moving in your 6th house, and from 6th house expecting your 12th house of foreign land, house of foreign settlement, and Jupiter Rahu is also moving in your 12th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your foreign settlement credit matter if you want to travel from your birthplace to some different country. Secondly, you need to be take care of your court case related matter as we discussed previously in Sun section and Mercury section, because after 19th of September, Mercury will also move to your 6th house. 19th of September, Mercury will also move to your 6th house, and Mars, Sun and Mercury will be present in your 6th house, and Mercury will be in a combust position and Mars is also in a combust position after 17th of September. So after 17th of October, so you need to be take care of your 6th house related matter as we discussed previously in Venus section, Mercury section and Sun section. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus Ascendant people from on all the planets in the month of October. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of October. First, as we discussed previously, Venus is right now moving in your 4th house. Venus just moved from your 3rd house to your 4th house on 2nd October 2023 in the sign of Leo. Mars is right now moving in your 6th house, and Mars is just moved from your 5th house to your 6th house on 4 October in the sign of Libra. Sun is right now moving in your Sun is right now moving in your 5th house, and on 17th October, Sun will move from your 5th house to your 6th house. Mercury is right now moving in your 5th house, and on 19th October, Mercury will also move to your 6th house as we discussed previously in Mercury section. Last is that you will also have solar eclipse in your 6th house on 14th October in the month of October. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of October 2023 for all the Taurus Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.